Tell me something. Can you harmonize with yourself? To everyone, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear whoever's watching. Happy birthday to you. Have many more. Bye. Oh shit. We got on. We got some wine. We got a little tipsy. We chill. We went downstairs. We ate our 3-course meal. Then we got on the ship. Walk down the sidewalk and saw this dude playing the guitar. You gave me my hands to reach out to man, to show him your love and your perfect plan. You gave me my ears. I can
Please notice your phone's battery is overheated.
Don't listen to her. I can hear the cries of sinners, but can I wipe away their tears? Oh, you gave me my voice to speak your word, to sing all your praises to those who never heard. But with my eyes I can see more availability. I've seen hearts that have been broken, so many people to be free. Lord, I'm available to you. My will I give to you. I'll do what you say do. Use me, Lord, to show someone the way and enable me to say, my storage is empty and I am available to you.